Hello, do you also hear the term STEM quite often? Well, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. STEM is considered the career of the future for several reasons. With technological advancement, it's important that we also upgrade ourselves. Pursuing a career in STEM abroad would be a great opportunity. Here's why. Number one reason is the increasing demand. The demand for STEM professionals continues to grow across various industries. As technology becomes more integrated into our daily lives, there is a need for skilled individuals who can develop, maintain, and adapt to these technologies. Jobs in fields like software development, data analysis, cybersecurity, and sustainable engineering are in high demand and offer excellent career prospects. Countries like USA, Australia, UK, and New Zealand are ideal destinations to pursue a career in STEM. Second reason is technological advancements. The world is rapidly evolving with advancements in technology. STEM professionals are at the forefront of driving innovation and developing new technologies. From artificial intelligence and robotics to biotechnology and renewable energy, STEM careers play a crucial role in shaping the future. Next reason would be that it's solving global challenges. STEM disciplines are essential for addressing global challenges such as climate change, healthcare, food security, and sustainable development. Scientists, engineers, and mathematicians are needed to develop solutions, conduct research, and implement innovative strategies to tackle these complex issues. This means you can earn handsome salaries while doing a bit for the society, a win-win situation. Fourth reason would be economic growth. STEM fields are major contributors to economic growth and innovation. They drive productivity, create job opportunities, and attract investment. Governments and industries worldwide recognize the importance of investing in STEM education and initiatives to foster economic growth. Fifth reason is interdisciplinary approach. STEM education promotes critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and interdisciplinary collaboration. These skills are transferable and valuable in various career paths. STEM professionals often have a solid foundation in analytical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, making them well prepared for the dynamic nature of future work environments. And lastly, and our most important reason is diversity and inclusivity. It's extremely important that we put emphasis on encouraging individuals from diverse backgrounds, including women who are underrepresented in this field. Women like Shakuntala Devi, Florence Nightingale, Katherine Johnson have done extraordinary things in the field of STEM. STEM careers enhance creativity, fosters different perspectives, and leads to more comprehensive and innovative solutions. These were just a few reasons why STEM is the career of the future. And if this is something that interests you, reach out to us and we will help you realize your dream of studying abroad. If you want more information on STEM courses and how you can pursue them abroad, subscribe to Leverage Edu and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you.